What's happening, y'all? Just like always, I'm gonna get in this playbook and I'm gonna show you what I'm looking at tomorrow. If you're new to the channel, man, make sure you like and subscribe. I teach financial education, but most of all, I teach day trading. Let me know how in the comments how you did last week. I was profitable 3 trades and I lost 2 trades last week. And without further ado, man, let me get into this chart. Let me show y'all what's happening. So I got 2 plays on 2 different stocks. Right, so first I'm looking at the daily time frame, right? So on the daily time frame, I see we came down to what's this? The 20 SMA in the middle of the VWAP right there, right? And if you look, it has been showing as a nice support. It's been holding up as support. Now on this one over here, that's on DoorDash. On Abercrombie and Fitch, it's been holding up as support, but then it broke support. Broke support, retested it, came back down to revisit a new level of support. So we're both at levels of support, right? On DoorDash is the 20 SMA, and on Abercrombie and Fitch is the 50 MA, right? But it looks like DoorDash is holding up better. Also on these candles, we're seeing wicks. We're seeing wicks, and if you look at on DoorDash, we got a strong support right there. Strong support on this one too. Strong support. This is on the daily time frame. But on top of that, y'all know it's a reason why I picked these stocks. So on top of that, we also have, look at this, we got higher lows and lower lows. Divergence. We got a divergence play. Okay. With this one, higher lows and lower lows on the indicators. Right? Both of them showing me divergence. And this is on a daily time frame. So now let me zoom in on my smaller time frame so I can see what's going on, right? So I'm gonna zoom in on a smaller time frame because that's where I'm gonna actually do the action at, the play by play. Now that we know what direction we suspect it to go in, now we can really look at what we finna do with it. All right, so on the MACD, they're both crossing on the MACD, showing upward motion, right? I like it. This one is already above the 50 area. This one looks like it's about to get there. I'm loving that too. On the 250 MA on DoorDash, it crossed, sending the stockward in an upward trend. On Abercrombie and Fitch, let's see, it's the red and the green. Well, I got way too many greens on that one to really know about the 250 MA cross. But not only did they cross on DoorDash, they crossed, but they're also playing the 50 as support. Playing the 50 as support, it went up, it retested the 20 SMA, and now it's up above the VWAP, right? So that's moving averages. On that one, they both giving me nice call options, right? So let's look at patterns. DoorDash, I'm seeing more patterns on DoorDash. On DoorDash, I'm seeing a bull flag. That's one pattern. On DoorDash, I'm seeing the double bottom. That's 2 patterns. On DoorDash, I'm seeing, what else? I think there was another one. Oh, On DoorDash, I'm also seeing the inverse head and shoulders. Inverse head and shoulders confirmed once it break that neckline. DoorDash look like it's a easy go call option tomorrow. Get your money on DoorDash. Now looking at Abercrombie, the pattern doesn't really show me as much as that one does. Now this one look like it could be an inverse head and shoulders, but we ain't doing could be. But as far as possibility, right? It does give me bear flag energy. So on the bear flag, you don't enter the trade until it breaks this line right here going down. But I got a feeling both of these stocks are going up. It did cross one of the VWAPs already, looking like it's about to cross the 20 SMA, right? So what I'm seeing here, I'm seeing a double bottom that needs to break the neckline going up, right? It needs to break the neckline going up, and a nice exit would be right here. We got a strong level of support right there, or in this case resistance, but also we got the Bollinger Band and VWAP looking like they gonna touch right there. So Abercrombie, my first exit would be at about $1 increase, right? Then the next one is right above that at about, I don't know, that's probably like $1.20. So if you notice these motions, I ain't trying to hold them all day because they can always come up to the support and bounce down and be down for the day. You know what I'm saying? If you look at these daily candles, let me go back to the daily candle to just show you why you never want to just assume that it's just going to stay in one direction all day, right? So if you go back to the daily chart, every single last one of these candles, they all have wicks, which means even though this was an up day, it started down. Even though this was a down day, it started up. You see that? This one was in between. This one was up and down. So, you know what I'm saying? So whatever direction the stock is looking like it's going in the beginning, it could end up not even going in that direction. But last thing I wanted to show y'all on the daily chart, I got the pivotal points up here. And if you look, we got a strong level of support. Like I said earlier, the pivotal points are confirming that. Strong level of support. So that's what I'm looking at tomorrow, man. I'm trading Abercrombie & Fitch or DoorDash. I might do the trade live, however it go. Y'all make sure y'all get this money, man. Like and subscribe so y'all can get more content.